Yeah, students, now let us see the last part, that is finding the G, that is the center of gravity of an irregular shaped body. Suppose this is an irregular shaped body. Now how to find the center of gravity of this body? Now before that, there is one new term, that is a plumb line. You should know what is a plumb line. A plumb line is a, you can say, a pointed. Now this is known as the bob, plumb bob. This is pointed and it is attached to a string, and it is used for finding the straight line. Okay, it is used during the constructions and all to find whether the pillars, whatever construction is being made, whether it is straight, it should not be slanting. For that, this plumb line is always used, because this is a heavy bob, and this bob, because of its gravity weight, it is going to be pointed down and it will be a straight line. So if anything is parallel to this, it is straight. If anything goes non-parallel to this, that means that particular thing has been erected in a slanting position, it is not straight. So it is used in construction. So here we will be using the plumb line also. Now look here, there is a stand. We have to take a stand where there is a hook, and in this irregular body, near the edges, we will mark 3 points A, B and C, and we will make a hole through it, such that it should be able to, here in the hook we can put this hole, we can fix this particular body on the stand through the hole A. Okay, so after putting it through the hole A, I will put this plumb line also. So this plumb line also has to be suspended through this particular hole. Now little time you will find that this body is moving here and there, and after some time, after some suspension, you will find that it becomes stationary. So when it becomes stationary, you take, with the help of a scale, draw a straight line from this hole along this particular thread. Okay, so along this particular thread you are going to draw the line. Now suppose this body becomes like this. Now this body becomes like this straight, where A is here, and the thread is going same with the direction of the thread. I will draw this line. Okay, repeat the same thing with B. Now remove this and attach it through the B hole. Remove this A hole and now put this particular surface to the B hole over here. Again, after some time you will find that it has become stationary. Again, from B you will draw a line. Suppose here it is B. Now from B also, suppose I draw a line. Now repeat the same thing with C. Now put the C hole over here. Let the plumb line be as it is, and when it becomes stationary, through C again I will draw a line. And suppose that line goes like this. Now this point of intersection of the 3 lines what we have drawn is your center of gravity. Is it clear? I'll once again repeat. We have to take the irregular body, identify 3 points at the edges and make hole. On a stand where there is a hook, you put it through any one of the holes, say A. Through that same hook, suspend the plumb line also, or the plumb bob. After some time, when this particular surface becomes stationary, you draw a line from A along the thread of this plumb. Repeat the procedure by taking the B hole on the hook, then by the C. You will get 3 different lines, and all these 3 lines are going to meet, and where they meet is your center of gravity. So this point is your center of gravity. This is the center of gravity. So this is how you find the center of gravity of any irregular shaped surface. So that finishes your B part of this chapter, force. Thank you.